This is my homemade electrolysis machine. I took a bottled water container and I just cut the top off it, and had some scrap electrical wire. This is like 10 gauge house wire, copper house wire, and so I just took a hole punch and punched a couple holes on each side through this plastic, and I took some wire tie wraps and put them through, and just to hold these in place so the electrodes don't touch together and short together. I had some spare alligator clips, so I soldered them onto the ends of this house wire, and onto this end here I just wrapped a loop on the end and soldered, and just tinned it with solder to make good contact. And I'm using a wall transformer that puts out about 12.5 volts at about 500 milliamps, and so I've just tried taking the rust off of a railroad spike that I had, and so I just wrapped some wire, steel wire around that, and then clipped the alligator clip on the end of it, and then I clipped a nail into this electrode, and I just put the leads on until I found which electrode bubbled. So I wanted the spike to bubble for it to clean it off. So now I have my ammeter set up, and it's reading 467 milliamps, or 0.467 amps, and that's at about 12.5 volts DC going into this electrolysis machine. So it's working well. This has been about an hour that I've had it on here, and the water's getting pretty brown. That's it for now.